2025 is the best year to be a student or a content creator because AI is getting more powerful and many tools are still completely free. But the problem is, most people don't know which tools are actually useful, which ones are reliable, and which ones can save you hours every single week. Well, today, I'm showing you 7 of the best free AI tools of 2025. Tools that can help you study faster, write better, research smarter, and create content like a pro. No fluff, no boring theory. Just practical tools you can start using today. All right, let's jump straight in. Tool number 1, Perplexity. First up, the king of free AI research, Perplexity AI. If you're a student or a creator, this tool alone can save you hours. It's like Google, but smarter. You ask a question, and instead of giving you 10 blue links, it gives you a clean, verified answer with sources. Why it's amazing. It reads long articles for you. It finds data, facts, and studies. You can upload PDFs to summarize. It gives structured answers with citations. It has a free co-pilot that helps you research deeper. Example use. Let's say you're writing a research report. You can ask, summarize the effects of climate change on agriculture, provide recent studies, and boom, Perplexity gives you reference data instantly. For creators, topic research script outlines trend analysis, audience insights, why students love it. It basically does the heavy research for you, but still gives you sources so you can write proper assignments. Tool number 2, Google Gemini 2.0 free. The best free AI model for generating long content. If you need free essays, explanations, notes, summaries, email, drafts, study guides, Gemini's free tier is extremely powerful. Why it's good: handles long documents, writes clean, structured replies, explains complex topics in simple language, great for math, plus science breakdowns, connects with Google Docs seamlessly. Real use case. You can ask, explain quantum computing like I'm 12. Give examples. Gemini replies in super clean, simple explanations. For creators, script writing, description, writing social captions, idea generation. Gemini is your free long-form writing assistant. Tool number 3, Canva Free AI. Most people think Canva is only for design, but the free AI tools inside Canva are insanely powerful. Features you get free: AI image generation, basic, magic eraser, remove objects, magic expand, extend image, magic write, generate text, text to presentation, automatic video captions, AI voiceover generator. Real use case for students. Type your topic. Canva creates a full presentation with slides, layout, graphics. For creators, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, TikTok templates, logos, reels with captions. Most of the templates are drag and drop, even if you've never designed anything before. Tool number 4, CapCut AI Suite. Next, if you create any videos, CapCut's free AI tools are a must. And the best part? It works on PC, mobile, and browser. Free AI features: auto subtitles, AI green screen removal, face enhancement, script to video, text to speech voices, beat sync, gesture-based transitions. Why creators use it? It saves hours of editing time. You can literally drop a video in, press one button, and get perfect auto captions. Real example. Want TikTok content? Upload your clip, click auto captions, choose style, export, done. For students, quick class project videos, animated explainers, group presentations. Tool number 5, Notion AI, free tier. Now let's talk about organization. If you want to stay productive in 2025, Notion AI free is the easiest way. Free features: AI note summarizer, AI task creator, AI brainstorming, AI writing assistant, templates for planning, goals, study notes. For students, convert class notes, clean summaries, generate flashcards, create a study schedule, organize assignments. For creators, content calendar, script database, idea tracking, client management. Why it's trending. Notion is becoming the #1 productivity hub. Students love it because everything stays in one place. Tool number 6, Leonardo AI Free. If you want free AI images, graphics, icons, textures, or concept art, Leonardo is the best free alternative to Midjourney. Free features: high-quality AI image generation, image upscaler, style presets, background removal, 3D style assets. Creators use it for thumbnail backgrounds, YouTube graphics, gaming art, social media posts, product mock-ups. Students use it for posters, infographics, visual presentations, project covers. It's way easier than Midjourney, no Discord required. Tool number 7, Claude 3 Haiku Free. And finally, one of the smartest free AI models of 2025. It feels like talking to a very calm, very smart teacher. Why it's amazing: extremely fast, extremely accurate, great for problem solving, reads long documents, explains concepts simply, helps with coding. For students, understand difficult subjects, break down PDFs, create notes, improve assignments. For creators, script editing, title ideas, keyword suggestions, brainstorming. Example. Question: explain how neural networks work using real-life examples. Claude gives clean, human-like answers. And that's it. Those were the top 7 free AI tools for students and creators in 2025. Every tool in this list saves you time, boosts your productivity, and helps you create better work without spending a single dollar. If you want a part 2 with more free tools, drop a comment saying more AI tools. Make sure to subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.